Hi guys, I'm going to explain our next research project called Wows of the World. So I'm using Mrs. Green's class as an example. So they are so quietly sitting in here waiting for instructions. They're waving, saying hi to everybody that's listening. So this is pretty similar to our state research project, except it is an individual project. So we're not working with a group. We're not all in the same document. So I'm going to click and open it and give you a couple minutes of explanation here. So like I said, this is your own project. So you're not going to see anyone else's thought bubbles or initials rather up here indicating that they're also in the same document. So title, you can put what you would like, obviously your name. If you want to call it the Wows of the World, that's great. I've had some 6th graders call it like fantastic places to visit or whatever. You can get creative with it. Okay, our next one are the Wows of the World. So I'm calling them that, just kind of a fun name other than saying like a tourist attraction. So it's somewhere kind of fun to visit. So some of these are in the U.S., the others are just different places around the world. So I've given you 16 options of things you could research. So you're going to choose 5 of the following attractions to research, and you're going to complete a slide for each attraction. Okay, if you are in band, you may do 3 attractions. If you are watching this in 4th grade, you're going to do 4. And if you're watching this in 3rd grade, you're going to do 3. Okay, so try to pick, doesn't matter. I would recommend picking one that you don't know anything about. So if you're familiar with the Statue of Liberty, which I hope you are, maybe don't pick that one first. Okay, so if you go to, you're going to see some of you are not going to use all of these. Some of you will, but they, just kind of a template like our last one. So you'll click on here, and you'll type the name of the attraction that you're going to research. So if you're going to research the Great Wall of China, then you would put that here. Okay, this spot for your name is kind of repetitive since obviously all of these, you're the only one going to be working in this document, so you don't have to put that. You can just delete it or type something else there if you'd like to. So in your information, first question says to explain the attraction. What is it? Each of these should be a couple sentences long. Okay, so it is not just a word or 2, and it is not something that you already know. So if you know what the Statue of Liberty is, or the Great Wall of China, or whatever, don't just put something you think you know. Also, don't just put, for example, let's say you put the Space Needle. Okay, on number 1, don't just type a needle. That A is incorrect, and B, there's a lot more that you can look up and learn and research. Okay, the reason we research is to learn. Where is it located? Try to be as specific as possible. What can people see or do there? So why do people visit that attraction? So what do people do when they're there? Okay, in the town or at the actual attraction. So once again, a couple sentences. And then tell another fact about the attraction. Anything that you find out when you're researching, anything that makes sense. Okay, pictures. I'm going to click on it and choose replace image and search the web, just like before. Okay, try to keep them in the same format. Also, I'm going to encourage you to look up or kind of, be detailed in your answers, because our next assignment is to create kind of a research paper from our presentation. So I don't want the term paper to kind of intimidate you, but we're going to be forming paragraphs from our answers to these questions. So the more detailed you are here, the easier it is going to be on our next assignment to finish or write and kind of form that paragraph. Okay, so if you have any questions, obviously ask. Don't forget your explore option here. We are not copying and pasting, so make sure to transform everything into your own words, own thoughts, own sentences. Okay, research equals reading, so don't be scared to open up a few different websites or articles and kind of read through, and hopefully you learn quite a bit. Okay, someday maybe even visit. So have fun and good luck.